Those were in the upper Shillong area of Smith and Malam. Wow, it wouldn't come to Shillong, but it's only on the upper side of Shillong, which falls towards the Umngot River. That side falls towards the Umngot River. Wow, see, I can hear the noise because it's quite far. Yeah, nice, no? See, looks good, great. Wow, wow, wow. Now it's like continuously 3 to 4 days like this. Alas sa singi mentaglam ikum ne. Lo umpoy sa Shillong, usap umpoy sa Shillong. Mau habis thia thing war. Ando lai lengkot tak tersat suruh mutu. Ish, tenat. Wow.